you'll never rise beyond your beliefs. If your heart belief is, I will never make it, I will never attain that, I will never get to that place in my life, that heart belief will limit you. That's why Scripture says in Proverbs, guard your heart above all things. Right? For out of it springs the issues. That word issues in Hebrew means the boundaries of your life. What does that mean? Some of you stay in complexes. Your boundary walls are very small. Some of you stay in the suburbs. Your boundary wall, say for instance, is 1,200 square meters. And then you get some people who stay on plots. Their boundary walls is 2.5 hectares. Then you get the farmers. And their boundary walls is 100 plus hectares. So how big or how small you want your life to be depends on what you believe about God.